Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review. I am testing today the ARS Pocket Saw. It's actually one of my favorite saws because the handle and the blade is relatively short. I've used this saw a lot on clearing trails at the Coronado National Forest, and it fits in my pocket perfectly. It folds down into a nice small size, still has those turbo cutting teeth, but easily fits in your pocket. So it's great for gardening or just being out on your property where you don't want to carry a tool bag and you just want to have a handsaw in your pocket. I like the fact that the teeth go almost to the end of the handle, and I like the locking mechanism too. It's a latch locking mechanism as opposed to a button, and it really holds the blade in there nice and tight. So this is one of my favorites.